Ricky Raccoon. Ricky Raccoon.
Hello, everybody. Here we are with Ricky Raccoon and Noah. And today we're going to talk about words that have the Y at the end of the word. Sometimes the Y can say I. Sometimes the Y says E. If it's a short word and it's just one syllable, that means it makes one sound, like the word shy. Shy. One sound. So if it's a short word, like our shy friend Ricky over there, right? Because we know he can be shy sometimes, right? We know the word I. The Y says I. Correct?
Correct.
All right, let's see if we can sound out the word shy. It's spelled S-H-Y. Let's sound out. Ready? Shh. I. Ooh, I hear S-H, S-H. Shh. And then Y says I. So we know Y can say I. Y can say I. If it's a short word, Y says I. All right, Noah, I know you found some words that end with Y that are short words that say I. See, what did Noah find?
You can fry stuff in this pan.
Very good. And the word fry, F-R-Y, says fry. And the Y says I because it's a short word. It's just one syllable. Ready? Let's see if we can sound out the word fry. Ready? Fry. Very good. So let's count how many sounds you hear in the word fry. Ready? Fry. How many sounds?
One.
One. So Y can say I. If it's a short word, Y says I. All right, what else do we have? We have shy, fry. What else? What other words did Noah find that has the I? Ooh, what's that?
Sky.
Ooh, that's a picture of the sky. And sky, S-K-Y, has a I sound at the end. The Y says I. In the beginning, S-K says sk. Let's sound it out. Ready? Sk, I. Sky. Good job. All right, Noah, what else do we have that has the I in it? What other words do we have that the Y says I? Ooh, what'd you find?
Tissues.
Tissues, and what do you do with the tissues?
You dry your eye
If you
cry.
So we have the word dry, D-R-Y, and we have the word cry, C-R-Y. Y can say I if it's a short word, right? Let's sound out the word dry together. Ready? I, dry. And then cry. Ready? I, cry.
This is my twin brother.
Good, Ricky. My has the I sound at the end. M-Y says I. Y can say I. Y can say E. If it's a short word, Y says I. What else do you have, Noah?
I found a compound word.
A compound word means two little words squeezed together to make one big word. And what word did you find?
Butterfly.
A butterfly. And fly at the end of the word says I. Ready? Let's sound out the word fly. I. Fly. All right. Very good. All right. Next up, we're going to do words that end with Y, but it says E. Sometimes Y says E at the end of the word. Y can say I. If it's a short word, Y says I. If it's a long word, Y says E. Like in Ricky. And Ricky, who is your twin? Rocky. Let's count out how many syllables are in Ricky. Ready? Ricky. How many sounds do you hear?
Two.
What about Rocky? Ready? Rocky. Two. So Y at the end of the word is saying E. All right, Noah, what else did you find that has Y at the end of the word that says E? Well, what'd you find?
Jelly beans.
Jelly beans, and the word jelly. Y says E. J-E-L-L-Y. Let's see if we can sound it out. Ready? J-L-E. Jelly. See how many syllables? Ready? Jelly.
2.
2. Very good. All right. So we have Ricky, Rocky, Jelly. What else do we have, Noah? What other words did you find that has Y at the end and Y says E? Ooh, what'd you find?
A penny.
Penny, and penny has E sound at the end. P-E-N-N-Y. Penny. And tell me about a penny real quick.
It's a 1 cent thing.
It's a 1 cent coin. And who's on that penny?
Abraham Lincoln.
Abraham Lincoln. Very good. All right. So we have Ricky, Rocky, Jelly, Penny, and what else did we find, Noah?
Candy.
Candy. Oh, look at Rocky trying to get the candy. Oh, here comes Ricky trying to get the candy. Candy, that's a good one. Let's count how many syllables were in candy. Ready? Candy.
2.
2. Good one. So Y can say E if it's the end of a long word. Y says E. All right, what else do we have, Noah? Candy, that's a good one. Ricky, Rocky, are you loving the candy? All right. Ooh, what else did you find?
A pony.
Pony. P-O-N-Y. Y can say E if it's a long word. Let's see how many syllables are in pony. Ready? Pony. 2. All right, so it's a long word. That means Y says E. Good job, Noah. All right, let's see. What else did Noah find that has the Y saying E?
A $50 bill.
50. F-I-F-T-Y. 50 is a big number, isn't it? And 50 ends with a Y, and the Y says E. Let's count how many syllables are in 50. Ready? 50.
2.
2. Very good. All right, Noah. What else do we have? We have 50. Oh, and you have a teddy bear that's dressed up as a
bunny.
And the word bunny has a Y at the end. And the Y says E. B-U-N-N-Y. Bunny. Y can say E if it's the end of a long word. Let's go ahead and count how many syllables are in bunny. Ready? Bunny. 2. All right, Noah. And you have one more word that has the Y that says E. Ooh, what'd you find?
Fluffy pillow.
A fluffy pillow. And let's see how many syllables are in the word fluffy. Ready? Fluffy. 2. And fluffy, F-L-U-F-F-Y. Y says E. Right, Ricky and Rocky? You guys are fluffy too, aren't you? All right. Oh, thank you, Noah. Okay, until next time, we are off with...
Ricky Raccoon.